All right, everyone's favorite topic, the LifeWave NOW app. This is a new application that's gonna help you build your business. How many of you have actually downloaded and are using it in your teams? Okay, 4 or 5 of you, good. Just kidding, there is more than that. But what I can say is I think what we're finding that there's a lot of information where people aren't quite understanding the power of the app. And so that's what I wanna do today, is to give you a little bit more information on how cool this app is and what it does have to offer. And I also want to say that there's a lot more coming in technology with the app that's gonna be really, really cool as we move forward. So the LifeWave NOW app is designed to be able to help you use some technology using the power of AI to help build your business. Now, how many of you actually already currently use some form of AI in your business? Okay, a lot of you do, that's great. And if you're at home, you can type in, yes, I do too. So, but yes, the power of AI really is changing the way we do business. Now, should it take out the personal nature of what we do? Never, right? But it certainly can help us to speed up the process of how we do it and how we go about connecting with people. So it helps you expand your warm market. One way you can do this is through social posts. And did you know that you can click one button and it will create a post for you? Just surprise me, and it will create a post. Now, of course, this one happens to be from Wayne Moorhead, who's our Vice President of Marketing, and this was created for him, and you can see that you can actually choose between I want it for LinkedIn or I want it for Instagram, and it will actually provide it and actually set it up for you so it's in the right format for that thing. Now, it has a picture that was provided for him, or you could add your own picture, but it provides all that information for you. Now, let's say you want to put a post out there, but you're just not quite sure if it's compliant. So I'm going to read this post, and you just tell me if you think it's compliant. Okay, breakthrough alert. Throw away pain meds. With LifeWave X39, you'll never feel pain again. This patch cures arthritis, eliminates migraine instantly, and reverses aging in just weeks. 100% compliant, right? No, Julie's up there going, stop, don't keep saying it, don't keep talking. But the reality is it's not. So you can actually click a button and it will tell you whether that post is compliant. And what does it say? It's very high risk, which is true. It is very high risk. You don't want to do that as an example. But what it does do is it gives you the reasons why it's also not compliant, so you can know what you need to go back through and fix. And it will also help you create posts that will, from that will actually become compliant. Okay, it's also a better way to build your contacts. So you can actually use this to build your leads. So let's say you put a post out there and somebody you don't know comments on it, but you want to know a little bit more about this person before you reach out to them. And so we found a way that we could actually collect the data of specific people by taking a screenshot of their social media. So we decided to pick someone that nobody would know and put a little test out there of Steve and Gina Merritt. Nobody knows them, right? Of course, most everyone does. So we took a screenshot, and this is literally just a screenshot of their Facebook page, and it gave us a complete all the details about who they are based off of what the AI found about their social media. And if you were to read through all this, you'd find out it's actually pretty accurate. Now, from this, you can actually say, I would like to put a post out there, or I want to respond back to Steve about this amazing thing based off of the things that we know about him from his social media. And it's going to put something out there that says, I want to reach out to Steve Merritt about LifeWave Opportunity. And then it's going to give him information. It shows a video, and you can post it and put it out there and give it to Steve. And Steve's going to come back and say, oh, whoops, let's go back one. Okay. He's going to say, thanks, but I don't think I would have enough time for this business. This is a little objection. Anyone have an objection before in their business? Well, that's okay, because you take a screenshot of that picture, of just that message, and it's going to give you a response back so that you can use to refer back to Steve. I get it, Steve. You're busy, but that's exactly why it caught my attention. It's designed to be simple and efficient, not something that eats up your time. Even just a few focused hours a week could make an impact. Now, is Steve someone that is focused about making sure he's using his time wisely? So we know we don't want to waste his time based off the information, and so we're going back and referring back to him with that. So let's say you actually have questions about different things about LifeWave. Can you ask it? Now, you can't hear the audio here, but the question is, he's actually, well, the AI assistant will actually respond to anything you ask. This one happened to ask about, how can you help me? And he's responding to that. And if you could actually read the text there, it would actually is exactly what he's talking about. How about business launch? Now, let's say you got somebody who's on your organization that's just getting started and you want to get them started right. You can actually send them to the app and give them the training about how to get them and launch their business. You can walk them through that, or you can use it as just a means so that they could do it on their own and then follow up and just see how they did. Now, I know many of the teams in LifeWave have their own business launch, and that's okay. This is not designed to replace it, but it certainly is a great way for those who maybe don't have the upline support that many of you have to be able to make sure they are being onboarded correctly and at least have the training that they need so they can get going. And as you can see here, it also has the different videos and different trainings on where to get started. One just happens to be based off of your why. How important is your why? Well, it's very important. And so we have that as part of our topics. And you can see the video as he's sharing about the importance of setting up your why. Next, we have the Light Success System, which is something we've been training on all day. And this is basically the same principles that every other team teaches. It's another way to be able to share it so that it's more agnostic, I think, for the whole team, for the whole company. And then as teams and individuals, you can then still tell your teams, like, we do it this way or we do it that way, but the principles are the same. So you don't have to worry about them being taught something that maybe you're not teaching within your own teams. So it just continually builds on the Light Success System and all the different principles with that. And as you can see, there's videos and everything along the way. This one happens to be talking about invite. So everything we talked about today about the importance of inviting and what that looks like is all in there. We also have our Learning Hub. This is also where you can go in and have people be trained on a lot of the different things about LifeWave. This one happens to be focused on the compensation plan. Is there anyone in the room that says, I know the compensation plan forwards and backwards? I know everything about it. We got one, and that's Meredith. Let's give Meredith a round of applause. So we have this amazing Learning Hub. We have brand partner resources where you can get pictures and videos and everything you need to know about each of the products. And this is one of the things I really like too, is when you go into, you can actually go into, say, one of the videos that you want to share with somebody that you know that you want to reach out and you happen to have them on your phone. You can hit the share button and it's going to give you a link that you can then share with them. And as soon as they watch it, you're going to get a notification on your app that telling you that they have watched it and it's now time to follow up. And so again, just other tools to make sure that you can continually help people process through through that Light Success System as they get started and they can get moving through and start building and enrolling people in their teams. So this app really is designed to give you the tools and everything that you need to be able to be successful at LifeWave. Now, are there things that we've heard from some of you that are saying we would like a few additional things in the app? And that is true. We have heard quite a few, and we have listened, and we are working to make many of those things, if not all of them, available, because we want this to be something that will actually have a massive impact, not just on your business, but as LifeWave as a whole. So we're so excited to be able to provide a tool like this for you, and just know there is much more and very many more exciting things to come when it comes to the app. So I'm going to leave it at that, but let's go ahead and bring out our Vice President of Sales, Janine Weber.